Hey all, it's Liam from Killer Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you the Equalizer Mini Spike V2. The Mini Spike V2 is a tattoo machine from Quadron that has received significant upgrades compared to the original model, so let's take a closer look. The Equalizer Mini Spike V2 is a rotary tattoo machine that is compatible with both Cheyenne type cartridges and standard tattoo needles. It also offers the possibility of working with both disposable and reusable grips, whichever you prefer. Although the first version of the rotary was a machine dedicated to shading, the addition of an adjustable stroke length from 2.4 to 4mm means that the Mini Spike V2 is now suitable for lining, shading and colour packing. In addition, you do not need to change the cam to change the stroke length, as you can simply unscrew one screw with an Allen key and change the position of the accenter to your preferred stroke. Quadron has changed the mounting of the 4.5 watt motor within the Equalizer Mini Spike, so now it runs quieter and with less vibration than the first generation model. The RCA socket and its connection to the motor have also been strengthened, while Quadron has updated the design to give the tattoo machine a more modern look, complete with an aluminium frame. The Equalizer Mini Spike V2 is a lightweight machine and tops the scales at just 91 grams. Furthermore, the recommended working voltage of the rotary is between 4 and 10 volts. Designed by Quadron in Poland, the Equalizer Mini Spike V2 is available in 4 colours: black, gold, grey and silver, and can be ordered from Killer Inc. via the link in the description below. So now that you've taken a look at the Mini Spike V2, what do you think? Will it be your next rotary tattoo machine? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.